Thanks, JD. Good man. Now, a little something I'd like to show you all is one of my old favourites, called Just Say No to the Original Juice Code. Starts a little something like this and ends a little something like that. Okay? Scar on. Or, how has what is going on changed to what's going on to scar on? I mean, I don't understand the word. Red line, red line, red line, red line.